This is amazing!
What do you mean, Twilight? We've been on one together before.
Wait, have they? Hold on, let me check. Oh yeah, they did. Viva Las Pegasus. I haven't watched that episode in so long. No wonder I forgot.
This is the first time the map has teamed up the same ponies for a second quest!
Wait, isn't it? Oh, hold on, let me check. Well, if you take away the cutie map and Shadowplay, and why not put in a matter of principles too as well, she's actually right. There are surprisingly much less friendship mission episodes than I thought they were.
The Peaks of Peril?
Ah, it's just a name. It doesn't mean anything.
Like how Cloudsdale is in the clouds, and the Crystal Empire is made of crystal?
And The Legend of Zelda features Zelda as a main character? Wait.
A group called the Kirin used to live there, known for their kindness and truth-speaking. Unfortunately, other creatures also lived there. The Nirik, fearsome beasts of pure fire.
Sure. Why not squeeze in a little bit more world building just before the series ends? I'm so sorry for reminding you.
Oh, maybe you should go instead of me, Twilight. Sorry, Fluttershy. Flanks don't lie.
I really hope that was just a harmless reference to that Shakira song, Hips Don't Lie, because... suggestive.
You really startled us.
Oh, it's just that I'm not used to seeing any pony taking the train to the end of the line.
Then why have the railway lead to this spot in the first place? Well then again, the railway can take you to literally everywhere. I wouldn't be surprised if the line can take you to the moon.
The final destination. The last stop.
Okay...
Nothing but uncharted terrain and wild beasts out that way.
What the hell was that about?
No, seriously, if he took a little peep over the top of the peaks, he'd see that the Kirin aren't dangerous at all. So what's with the creepy old man act?
I figure if we use some rope and elbow grease, we can make it up half.
Applejack! Can you please listen to me?
And you thought Fluttershy didn't develop at all.
Sorry, Fluttershy. I suppose I got a little too caught up in the adventure.
Maybe that's why you didn't take a few seconds to look behind you. I tell you, the location designs in this show keep getting better and better. Case in point... yeah.
Well, hi, I'm Applejack, and this here's Fluttershy. So, what are your names? Do you understand Ponish? These Kirin are quieter than an apple blossom on snowfall. Still, there's gotta be some way to make them speak. Knock, knock. Now you say, who's there? Police! Police who? Police! Say something! Oh, for the love of Celestia! Can't you just say something? Gotcha!
Okay, sorry, I really couldn't resist putting that silent subtitle thing in. I wanted to make this video stand out against all the other ones in this series, like the Rock Hoof video.
You must tell me everything about you. There's so much to say, so much to do. Oh, look at me. I'm going on, and you haven't seen. I mean, have you seen? What am I saying? Of course you haven't. So just, I will just follow me.
I love this character already.
The way the light shimmers off everything, like it all suddenly woke up the moment you saw it, and you realize maybe the water and the mountains and the forests and the rainbow and the stars in the sky are all looking back at you thinking the same thing, that we are a part of the everything. That maybe there's just one thing and we are all it.
I don't think even Sir David Attenborough can come up with that description on the spot.
You'd rather not talk about it? No. I understand.
I'd rather see.
Oh boy.
Flaring tempers were inflamed, destruction quickly spread, and flaming red from head to head, it even burnt our bread.
Sorry, I forgot how much I love rhyming.
I'm sure you and Dr. Seuss's ghost will get along just fine.
For the story about the Kieran who hid below an opera stage and fell in love with this opera singer, and he wore a freaky half-mask thing, and he played the organ a lot and got all broody because the singer was in love with another dude, so he took her away on this underground gondola. I mean, who doesn't love musical theater?
Well, she accidentally spoiled Phantom of the Opera for you.
Sometimes you gotta let it rain. Yeah, sometimes you've gotta let it rain.
That was brilliant. One of the better songs from the show at the moment. Is this voice actress a singer? Well, she's a songwriter, but she can definitely sing.
Just tell me what you need to say. Please don't be afraid.
I tell you, the songs in this show keep getting better and better. And the TV and movie industries are making much better songs than the actual music industry.
Who's Fluttershy? Oh, did you name your shadow? Mine's called Silhouette Gloom of the Sundown Lands.
Wow, you were that lonely, huh? Well, it's more understandable than Deb and Flo.
You know, between you and me, I'm not sure she's gonna convince them. Nope.
Did I already say that I love this character? She's entertaining as hell.
I figured out the friendship problem. Me too. Go ahead.
Runs in the voice acting family, I guess.
Fire is dangerous, especially in a forest like this.
Not if they don't turn into fire-breathing Nerik in the first place.
And how can you be sure that won't happen?
There's gotta be a better way than giving up all your feelings.
I can see equal amounts of positives and negatives from both sides. It's hard to know which one will be best suited for the Kieran.
I fell into a burning ring of fire.
And if you're really angry, then take some time away to be a Nerik where it won't hurt any pony.
Well, that's what I do. Whenever I feel angry, I just sit down in silence for about 5 or 10 minutes, have an angry conversation with myself in a whisper tone just to get it all out of my system, and I feel a bit better afterwards.
Okay, are you hungry? Oh no, some Kieran trapped in a well? Okay, baby fish. Baby fish mouth?
Hairdryer. That answer always works for me.
That's what foal's breath looks like?
Now that was a good bit of foreshadowing that I didn't see coming. Nice.
If your kindness hadn't made you stop to help the squirrels, we never would have found this here flower. Guess it's a good thing the map sent both of us, huh?
So, the map, aka the Tree of Harmony, can see into the future, or can see every possibility of how this problem can be solved or not solved before it happens? Oh, Jesus, understanding the map is just like trying to understand the TARDIS, in that you can never understand it. You can make the cure by just placing the flowers in running stream water. You don't need to make some special brew to add them in. Never knew it'd be so easy.
'Cause rainbows won't light up the sky unless you let it rain.
It's not every episode that we get a reprise, and this is just beautiful.